center store.
Yeah. Because it says caution, you have to be careful people are cleaning the windows.
He's really your paparazzi.
Yeah, he
He will
is.
just pop up every. I'm like, who's he?
Yeah, just pretend he's not there. Just
Yeah.
keep walking.
Oh, this is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Where's the bell? No bell?
Oh, it's inside. You can't see it. Yeah. Luckily, Big Ben isn't covered in scaffolding. You know when Princess came, it's covered in scaffolding. So she didn't get that iconic.
Oh. So during the royal weddings here, is this full of people? This area?
They cordoned off like metal barriers,
Oh,
and then
okay.
people stand here with their
The
flags.
flag and everything.
But Harry and Meghan, they got married in Windsor. Windsor is out of London.
Oh.
Yeah. It's the King's other residence. So this is a really old abbey. This is where most of the royals get the coronation.
Oh.
All the way back to Henry VIII. You know Henry VIII? Yeah. So he had his coronation here as well.
Probably before all of this.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, it can get busy.
Really busy, yeah.
So this is kind of like almost the heart of the
The historical part of London.
Yeah.
So that, like I said, this here is Parliament Square, where all the flags are, and then this is where all the royal events happen. Yeah. So they have the coronation chair is in there. You know where they crown the
king or the
king or the
queen.
queen. Should take a picture from. Where's our paparazzi?
Rose window coaster.
Static.
Queen window, yeah. Lagay mo sa window din. Yung parang magiging glass window din yung style niya. Oh, there's so many.
This is the other entrance to Westminster Abbey.
Created the Industrial Revolution.
When you say abbey, is it like a church? Oh,
Yeah, because you know the Church of England, they're different to
Trains in the wall.
Uh-huh.
Where all the
Henry VIII created his own religion for the monarchs of the country because the church wouldn't allow him to divorce his wife.
Ah, okay.
So he said, "Oh, fine. If you don't want me to divorce my wife, I'll set up my own religion."
Religion where he can divorce the wife.
So now the monarch is
Uh-huh.
always the head of the Church of England. So that's they have abbeys.
Abbeys.
But they still they believe in God. Similar, but some differences. Very
Yeah.
Protestant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is a nice view right here.
the problem is
You don't want your hat, love? I'm going to put it in my
so
bag. You do?
It's quite nice.
That's a Big Ben.
That's Big Ben.
Let's go back home.
He led the basketball system
Very busy, crowded, and you have to watch your stuff. Kasi unfortunately, marami daw pickpocketers dito. So, maraming yung mga big bags. Oh, look at that! Maraming yung naka-sling bag. So, ayan. Hawak ko yung bag ko. Dami. There's so many things to see here. And then later on, tingin tayo ng mga souvenirs. So ngayon, enjoy muna natin. Sightseeing muna tayo. Have a tour guide for the Titan. Kita ng mga tao.
We've got South Bank up over there where they do like festivals and things like that.
So do they do something here at Tender River? When there's some type of festival or just
No, just on New Year's.
New Year's?
Fireworks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think Gail. And what else? On this side it's all like buildings, like the Metropolitan Police building, things like that. On this side. So, do you want to take a picture of here from on? Like you can see Big Ben and the rest of Parliament on the side. The Houses of Commons Street.
The sign. Oh, okay.
Soldiers. Janice, can you see the senator? Yeah, this is it. So on the 11th of November, there is a ceremony here. They remember the British soldiers that died in the war during World War I and World War II.
Every November 11th.
Yeah, so they lay the wreaths. So they're still there from November.
Oh, okay.
The 50 wreaths.
And then on the 11th, they clean it up and put another ceremony. Put more
The next,
fresh.
yeah.
Joined in doing so by the royal family. This building here.
Oh, they do like walk-in tours?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
That's where the
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister lives.
Yeah.
Is it that black door?
The guards are used to people
Always,
taking
yeah.
picture and video
The
here.
guards are staring.
That's why
His house is on the right side.
They have to look good.
Yeah. Anyway.
Picture. Ano din sila, nag-picture din.
Parang akin lang.
So,
Yung baril niya. C'est bien pour ça qu'il n'y a pas
the women of World War II.
Oh, that's from when they come from last. Because that's he's a bit.
Same here, number 11.
Yeah.
Yan, kabayo. Na nangangagat ng kabayo.
Oh.
Horse Guard Parade is the other side of where the King's Guards
Oh,
are guarding. Yeah, there's the horsey and the King's Guards.
so what's inside? Why are they here?
Well, this is basically where all of the guards they are based here.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so all of the King's Guards. So they're always guarding the entrances.
Oh.
Yeah, I think you can take a you can take a picture next to it. You just can't touch.
Yes.
You just can't
Don't go
touch
too
it.
close.
Let me carry you. Can you see?
No, you get my haircut.
Royal views behind
Oh, sorry.
Picture?
Saan?
Kasama yung police. Can we take a picture, police?
Hey, just go. Meron silang ano pala, like announcement.
Thanks. 700. Ginawa ko may picture. Wireless. Everything to
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, they did the London Marathon here.
London Marathon?
We're going to walk towards Buckingham Palace.
Okay.
Do you want to walk through the park or on the side? Do you feel like?
Is it part?
Park. Okay, we'll walk through the park.
So when that happens, when they're having ceremonies here, people are
People
also...
can watch the changing of the guards
Oh,
here,
okay.
yeah. So this is St James's Park. And so it's basically attached to Buckingham Palace.
Where's Buckingham Palace?
Literally on the other side of the park.
Okay.
Yeah. And all of the swans in this park belong to the monarch.
Oh, wow.
All of the animals,
Animals,
in here,
uh-huh.
they all belong to the monarch. We'll walk through the park.
Mas malamig.
Yeah, with a bit of shade.
WC, the Animal and Tower.
Where?
There, it says there.
Oh yeah. You go.
Oh, yeah, nako, pang...
Kanto.
Daar in